So I really wanted a greenhouse. I've always wanted to build one. I've always wanted to have one someplace warm and nice to grow things in the middle of the dark, long, cold winters here. So I decided I'm going to actually get something together. Now I wanted something fairly simple, so I've come up with a plan to create a PVC, kind of like a PVC hoop house, but cut in half and act like a lean-to against the southernmost portion of my house. So this is the beginning of that, and I'm going to talk through the design in general, and also if you saw my previous video on the topic, you'll know what my general plan is, but I'll just talk about it a little bit here too, since this will be the official first video in the series. So I've started by building a simple frame out of pressure treated 2x4s, 8-foot lengths, and hold on one second, let me So this is in total going to be 24 feet long by about 5 feet wide. And the reason why it's kind of narrow is that 5 feet was pretty much the perfect distance to take one of these 10-foot long, 3/4 of an inch PVC electrical conduit pipes. I stuck it in the ground and then bent it up to about right there on the side of my house. And to create a pretty decent arc, I could only bring out about 5 feet. So that's where the 5-foot width came from. So it's pretty straightforward. I just cut a 5-ish foot length there, and the front and back is a little bit more complicated because I needed to stretch 28 feet and it needed to be pretty strong. The front needs to be strong because I'm actually going to, if you see these boards on top, I'm actually going to drill holes with like a spade bit or like a hole saw to actually stick one end of the PVC pipe in to like hold it in place, possibly screw it in place too. But those will be on top, and those needed a good solid footing. So what I ended up doing was I took a total of 6 8-foot long pressure treated 2x4s and just sort of like offset them so they kind of brace each other. So as you can see, there's 3 in a row in the front, and the other side there's a short piece. Oh, see, that's where they cut. See how I've staggered them? So I basically just staggered them all the way down so they basically brace against each other and create one solid unit, and I've done the same on the back. And then what was nice about that is I actually shortened it just enough on the width of one board that I could take this in the horizontal bit here, or the depth bit, or whatever you want to call it, the 5-foot length. I could easily screw on both sides and make it really nice and secure at the corners. Now the truth is I might come back in and do a board across here to make the short sides like double wide or whatever, because I'm gonna probably build doors at least on one side, but they'll probably need a solid base. So a solid base on the sides as well. So the solid base in the front for the pipes, and I need a solid base on the back too because, well, I had to span the 24-foot length anyway. But I'm actually gonna back here. I've got a general plan in my head of building basically kind of like you're stick building a house, but not quite as sturdy. I'm going to build some box frames here and then tie them together with long 10-foot 2x4s at the top. And then basically what's going to happen is I'm going to stick the PVC pipe in the boards up here, bend it, and it's going to be screwed in place underneath the boards at the top, the big beam at the top. I'll show you as those steps develop. That won't be this video because it's actually about to rain. So I don't think I'll be able to work on this much today. So this may be it, but it gives you a good idea of what I've done to create this foundation, what my general plan is. And I'm probably going to end up lining all the bottom here with wood chips because I have many of them. So I'm probably going to take them and line this. I was going to get like a landscaping fabric or something, but it's just, it's one more thing to buy, and a lot of plants don't grow here that great because the dirt isn't fantastic here right along the house. It's mostly just like plain dirt. So I'm not too concerned if some things grow through, meh. But more on that later, because I may also do some other stuff for the foundation as we build. But the next step is to get these box walls up and maybe even today start bending some pipe. I'm not sure exactly what order I will do things, so we will figure it out. But as for this video, this is the end of the first video. I just wanted to introduce my plan, show you the foundation, and stay tuned to check out part 2. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Thank you.